Let's see, which one do you own? Which one are you planning to buy? Let's look at what the difference is. Let's do it. Hi friends, welcome back. I'm cuddling with a comforter because in this video we are going to answer a few questions about duvets and comforters. It's like duvets versus comforters. Let's see, which one do you own? Which one are you planning to buy? Let's look at what the difference is. Let's do it. The difference between duvet and a comforter, not much. They both have a shell with two sides. They both can come with either synthetic or natural filling, which natural filling would be like a down or feathers, or a blend of feathers and down, and the synthetic would be your polyester. So far, not really any difference. However, the comforter comes usually with the patterns, or if it's a solid cover, it's finished, it's ready to go, it's ready to just be laid on your bed to add color, texture, pattern to your bed. Whereas your duvet will not come with the texture and the color and the pattern. It comes in either kind of a beige or an off-white or a white, just a basic neutral color. And so you will need to buy or make a cover for your duvet. Is it cheaper to own a comforter or a duvet? Ultimately, it's a choice thing, right? You may want your duvet because you may feel that it's more sumptuous and it gives you the warmth and whatever you need on your bed. However, ultimately, it's less expensive to own a comforter because it comes ready to be used, and so you don't have to make a cover for it. Mark, you could make a cover and kind of use your comforter to double as your duvet, as a duvet. But yeah, it is more cost effective to have your comforter than your duvet. Personally, I don't own a duvet. I own a comforter, and it's comforting. As a matter of fact, for all the beds, I use comforters. I don't buy duvets. Nothing against duvets. Nothing. Recently, I did a video to show you how to calculate fabric for your duvets. In the next video, I will actually show you how to make a duvet cover, because that is the same way you would make a cover for your comforter if you want your comforter to double as a duvet and save yourself some money. Let me know what you think, friends. Thank you again so much for your support on the channel. Don't forget, if you've been watching the videos and you haven't subscribed, hit that subscription button. Also, hit that bell notification icon so you can be reminded of new video uploads. Keep watching, guys. Keep watching, and hope this little lesson was helpful for you. I'll see you in the next video.